We know a lot of recipes with pineapple. Make it pink and glittering, dip it into sweet glaze, or turn it into a parrot. Watch these and other ideas in our new pineapple video. A fashion trend of today is that everything is organic and eco-friendly. And Blondie made earrings for herself out of dried pineapple. Insert earring blanks into dried pineapple rings. Attach a jump ring and chain using pliers. Attach a clasp on top. Fasten it with pliers. My friend looks like a princess of Ecuador with these earrings. I want an accessory like this right now. Moreover, pineapple earrings are very handy. If you want to have a snack while you are on the go, just bite off a piece of your stylish accessory. My friend is about to come any minute. I need to get ready for a party quickly. I put treats on the table. It looks really bad. I turn a cookie party into a tropical one with one slight movement. Cut a pineapple. Cut out the flesh along the peel. Make a horizontal cut at the bottom. Remove the flesh entirely. Cut it into 4 parts and remove the core. And cut the flesh into cubes. Cut off the leaves at the top, leaving a few of the longest ones for a tail. Cut off the top edges that still have peel and shape it into a ball. Cut a slanted piece out of a carrot and attach the carrot to the pineapple top using a toothpick. Fix the shape of the beak using a peeler. Stick peppercorns instead of eyes. Use toothpicks to fasten the parrot to the pineapple cup. Meet my pineapple friend, Jojo the parrot. The only thing left to do is to add a flower into my hair and meet my friend. Blondie is excited by my new pet. Jojo can cook pineapple cubes better than anyone else. It's such a cutie! In addition to this, you don't need to feed this parrot. Only benefits. Blondie's lips are chapped. I know what will help her. I've got a surprise. It's a pineapple EOS. Prepare EOS in a yellow container. Remove the lip balm. Clean the grid. Melt the balm in a microwave. And add yellow food coloring. Mix it and pour it into the cap. Decorate the container when the lip balm hardens. Wrap the container with self-adhesive nail strips crosswise. Make a cut so that the lip balm opens. Decorate the diamond shape with rhinestones. Cut artificial long leaves and attach them to get the top of the pineapple. And fasten it to the EOS cap. My friend opens her own pineapple. It is so cute! It is so pleasant to apply this pineapple lip balm. Now, my lips will never be chapped. The tiny pineapple will take care of it. I have already heard Blondie's tropical vacation story a gazillion times. I just can't stand listening to her story about running away from crocodiles and taking a selfie with a shark. My phone is my escape, but this will not stop Blondie. She has brought a treat. It's an unusual tropical pineapple. She even has a recipe how to grow it at home. Cut off a top of a pineapple and cut off the bottom part of a grapefruit. Attach them together and plant. Water it thoroughly and observe your new hybrid fruit grow. I cut the fruit. Curly Sue finally pulls away from her phone, and there is not a pineapple inside. A grapefruit has grown inside instead of a pineapple. It's a miracle! It smells like a real one. Did you actually grow it yourself? Got you, friend! Cut the flesh out of a pineapple. Peel a grapefruit and take the flesh. And stick the grapefruit into a pineapple peel. Fasten the pineapple top using toothpicks. What would you name this symbiosis? Grape apple or pine fruit? I need to take a photo with it right now. People will think that I had a